So this is the IDMA SAAS lead generation platform, the ideal platform for any business owner or agency owner looking to collect leads, send emails, create chatbots, do outreach on LinkedIn, on automation, send email campaigns, verify emails, and so much more, right? You can also do social proof, etc. So in our previous videos we covered the enrichment category, which shows you how to find leads, B2B leads, etc., as well as how to extract LinkedIn emails, as well as do outreach on LinkedIn, and also extract emails from any website, right? We've also shown you guys how to find emails from websites. What we're going to be covering now is the campaign section. So this is a CRM, so where you'll basically set up or load your leads that you've generated, and then you can start doing outreach, you can put them in pipelines, you can send email campaigns, etc. So what's going to happen is you can go to, once you go on the left hand side, you can go to campaigns, my list. You'll see that there's an option to create a new list. I've taken the liberty of actually creating a list over here. So what you'll do is just click there. Now I can put in the name of the list, right? This email over here, this is where you'll basically, where the leads will go to, where it's going to be assigned to, but it's also going to be the same email that you sign up with, right? Sorry. So you'll be able to view your contacts like this. Unfortunately, I haven't listed anything here yet, but it will basically be displayed here, and it will also be categorized or showing all of these attributes. What you're also able to do is you can go to opportunities, right? So this is when you make communication with a client or with a new prospect and they communicate, you can actually converse with them right here. Let me show you. So I can set up a new campaign. So here I can send an instant campaign, send only one-time email from a list, ideal for marketing. Sequence, one email, continue sending follow-up emails until your contacts replies. This can be done all internally within the system, right? So you don't need any other tools in order to do this, right? What you can also do is, so when it comes to pipeline and opportunities, this is where you'll be able to see sorry, let me quickly show you guys. So here, let's quickly just go here. Say sales pipeline. Okay. Okay, so now what you can do over here is you can see add new opportunities, prospecting, qualifications, proposals, negotiation, closing. All of that can be done in here, right? And as you can see there, this is where you'll basically select the ideal lead. You'll actually search for the lead depending on obviously once you've saved them, you can then update the details, so you can literally show sales flow and process on here. You can also see your revenue that's being generated directly on here. So once more, you guys don't need to use any other tools. Everything is built in for you. It's convenient, and to start with, it's absolutely free, right? I've shown you guys how you can actually set up the email campaigns, right? But bear in mind, when you're setting up the emails, you would need to add you would need to include or basically set up your STMP, right? Let's quickly show you. Just gonna go over here. The SMTP, right? The sender information. This is to link your SMTP. Will give instructions on how to do so. You can start. You can add your signature. You can add the limit for when you want to stop sending emails, etc. Right? So that is basically on the campaign sector. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually discover any new domain or website on the internet. So whenever a new website is loaded, our system automatically extracts that information and it makes it available to anyone, like to our users, right? As you can see, there's today's records. This is just 33,133 and 33 new websites on the internet. This is all leads. Total new leads, or like that's 41 million leads, emails, sorry, 73 million cell phone numbers, 72 million landline numbers, right? As you guys can see over there, what's cool about this is that over here, so this is today's date is 13th, but it's showing me all the domains that were listed for yesterday, how many emails were listed, how many new cell phone numbers and landlines. So this means by using our tool, and as you can see it goes all the way down, right? By using our tool, you can actually be the first to contact all of these new businesses that comes online. So you don't have to guess who's new, who might need your service, etc. You can actually get all the details online, and reach out to them or make contact with them however you'd like, right? So that is extremely powerful, guys. Let me see if I can just show you, so I can download it, or I can transfer it to a campaign. Let's just see quickly. Okay. Real. Okay, that is not for the realtor campaign, so I can actually just create maybe let's see. Okay. So what it's going to do is it will download, or it will transfer the information to that specific list or group that you've selected, right? You can also download this information in CSV or zip file format, and you can then do outreach. You can appoint certain people in your team specifically to do outreach to these clients. Sorry, they're showing, so I can quickly just view the list for you guys. So over there you can see, guys, is 41,733,000 new emails that has been listed. That is a potential. You'll be able to find that anywhere else, right? Let's see, it's going to be imported, right? So guys, that is just on the campaigns as well as a website analysis or analysis. So we're going to be covering the chatbot functionality, and then also the email discovery, social proof, and also reviews section on the portal itself, right? It's free of charge for you guys to get started with. There will be a link in the description, or in you can check it in the bio as well. And you guys are free to test it if you're free to use it. With this will also come a 30-day free LinkedIn Sales Navigator trial that you guys can use in order to play around with the system and see how it works, etc. Guys, stay tuned, do like and share it with whoever else you think might find it valuable. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day, and until the next video.